Hey everybody, this is part one of what's going to have to be a three-part video of this motor. This camera of mine is just a digital camera. It takes a 3-minute video and it won't be anywhere near enough to watch this thing start and watch it stop. So this video will just explain a little bit about this motor. It's antique, 1/3 horsepower Emerson Induction motor. So old that the motor itself cannot develop any starting torque. It develops literally none. Just enough to get the huge rotor started. The rotor weighs over 45 pounds and it has lead weights in them, centrifugal weights, which actually engage the shaft at when the motor reaches about 80% synchronous speed. As you can see here, I'm turning the shaft. Nothing's turning inside the motor. The shaft is loose. You can also see right through the motor. The rotor is like a big wagon wheel. This is Emerson. The tag here is cast bronze, not stamped. This is a heavy cast bronze tag, and it is alternating current motor made by the Emerson Electric Manufacturing Company, St. Louis, USA. It's made for 7200 volts, and it's also got the cycles listed for 104 volts. This on the top is where you bring all the wiring and everything comes up. I've got the cord hooked here, here, and here. This bright wire coming out here is the wires to the centrifugal starting switch. It has a huge centrifugal starting switch, exactly the same as on my big Emerson fan motors. On the back of this, in here, is the rotor itself. Again, from the back, you can see that piece of bright brass right there. That's a lubricator, which is actually on the rotor itself. And the back here, those are where the weights bolt on inside. This thing is incredibly complicated, yet it's so user-friendly. On the end bells there is the Emerson Electric Manufacturing Company, St. Louis, USA. It's a wonderful old motor. It weighs well over 120 pounds. So I don't know if there's anything else I can explain about this thing. It's just a kick to watch start and watch shut off. It takes the starting is fun to watch, and then to turn it off it goes forever. So anyway, this is part one. I'll have part two and part three coming up.